welcome to my apartment. So guys, I literally moved into this apartment today. So the only thing I have at the corner here is just my plants. If you watch my previous video, you'll notice plants, but this is the only thing I have here. I did some cleaning when I moved in, so pretty much this is the living room area. And when we walk over here, we have a washer and dryer in here. That's the washer and that's the dryer. That's what we have there. So this little closet space basically just encloses that washer and dryer over there. And when you move over, I just have a suitcase because I try to move some stuff over today. I am still in the process of moving in. Like I mentioned earlier, I just came in to clean. So here's the kitchen. It's really small, so that's the sink over there. Unfortunately, I do not have a microwave, which is really disappointing because I would have loved to have one, but I don't have one. But I brought over this mat. It's the same mat I had from my first apartment tour. I really love the mat, pretty comfy. So I brought it over. There's lots of storage space, which is what I love. I just have some cleaning products over there. Like I said, I was cleaning, and just lots and lots and lots of storage space. You can just take a look. Lots of storage space. Okay, those are just random stuff. I'm still cleaning. So we have a cooker and we have baking where I can do some baking. I really try to clean. Previously people lived here, so they literally just moved out. There we have a fridge and freezer. That's what we have. So moving on, my favorite. So I really love the living room area. I'll get some good lighting from that angle. That's probably where I'll film most of my videos. I'm looking forward to that. I'm pretty excited. So this is what we have for the living room. Moving on to my favorite part of the house, the washroom. I love the washroom. The only thing that makes me worried is the glass, the sliding glass. I don't know, because I know it's really hard to clean. It took me a while to get that cleaned up today, so I'm really I don't know how to maintain the cleanliness of that. I guess I have to clean every day. So this is me looking pretty tired. So I was doing lots of cleaning today. So this is what we have. So there's so much closet space in here. I didn't even get to show you guys. So much some space here in the washroom to store stuff. And then I just have my bucket because I was doing some mopping and cleaning. I think I said that like so many times. And just cleaning stuff. Then I still have more clean stuff over here, and there's like more storage. So this is when you walk out of the washroom, you move into the bedroom. The bedroom is pretty spacious and pretty has good lighting as well. I'm gonna put down the blinds. I love that. I love that for me. So I'm just gonna put down the blinds. Sorry for the noise, guys. I love that I can always open the blinds in the bedroom. There is some closet space here, but not a lot. So this is where I'll hang some of my winter jackets and coats over here. More shelves for clothes. I hope I can utilize this space. But I think it's pretty comfortable for me and convenient. So So I'll just give you guys a quick outlook of the apartment once again.